So let's look at the money of Belize. So this is the $2. Or more. This is the front part, the back part. See there? This is the $5. This is the front part. Who the pan the money, baby? Make I look and see. Miss, come talk to me. Who the pan the money?
George Price and
Which one George Price, Stefan?
This is George Price.
and I want to Philip
This is
Wilson.
Philip Wilson.
So this is Philip Goso.
Yeah, this is George
So
Price.
him owner at the airport?
Yes.
No, the airport name after here.
Okay, so this is the owner for the airport.
No,
Philip
they the name of the airport after.
who them name the airport after. So it's a George, right? Philip Goso. Alright, so him the the $2 bill. And this is a George Price,
The
Yeah.
Prime Minister.
the former Prime Minister,
They call the father of the nation.
the father of the nation. He's a Spanish,
Yeah.
No, Creole, you know,
Creole,
Creole.
Creole and Spanish mix. but
Creole and Spanish. Then him and who?
That he not the same man.
Same person.
Same person.
So that,
Also, them basically put him back on the $10 bill,
yeah.
right?
Then
Then
George Price. for
then
the
George Price for the $20 bill.
Then Philip Wilson back for
Then
50.
Philip goes back from.
Then
And what kind of madness this?
$100.
Then the $100. So basically in Belize, a 2 man, they pay all of the money them.